Welcome back, guys, to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we'd like to talk about FLUX USDT trading pair potential targets for 2023 at the next upcoming bull run with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. This is a chart on Gate.io monthly time frame listing from May 2021, and like you can see, we got a main block and the gap where we can come back and close at least 50% of this block. So the first target where you can start buying FLUX, for example, it's not an answer, so we have to 100% drop to this target, but here we got a gap, we use the FIB, and we tested only 23 level by FIB. The target, how low we can drop to here, full fill, it will be around 19 cents 55. 0.5 level by FIB, it can be 46. This target and full fill. So it's not necessary, so we have to every single time come back and close even 50%. But in most cases, yes. You can start, if you believe in this coin, you can start accumulate 23, 38, 0.5, full fill. And waiting the reversal move. So now, yes, even after this pump, because we pump it here, 46%. Yes, we have all chances. Reject one more time and drop lower. It's not necessary, so we 100% drop, but this gap still relevant. Second thing is you have to understand not every single altcoin will be the previous all-time high. The top was $3.37. Look, now total supply 440 millions, circulation supply 72% in circulation supply. So 317 millions unlocked. Market cap now it's 129 millions. So basically to hit, let's count 317. So look, 317, 3, 1, 2, 3. So to hit $4 to be the previous all-time high, the FLUX have to reach 1,268 millions. Is it possible? Basically, yes. So if you believe in this coin, you know, I showed you the main zone where you can start accumulate. And now, of course, it's not the best entry zone, but you can step by step accumulate. And I would like to show on indicators how it looks like. 1.61 level by FIB, it's $4.75, and 2.61, it's $7. To hit $7, we have to reach a 2 billion market cap. 2 billion and 2 million market cap. Is it possible? Basically, yes. If we take a look on a history of market cap here, the top, when the FLUX hit the all-time high, it was 700 millions, around 700 millions. So most likely, I don't think so we'll hit $7, but $4.75, it's more than real in the next bull run. So we can close all this off. I highly recommend you dive in the fundamental if you want to invest in this coin. Let's go to weekly time frame. What do we got? Basically, if we use the line chart, we can draw the trend line like this one. So we already broke this downtrend. We can form like this one. We already broke. We can draw like this one. We already broke. But usually it playing out something like this. Now we trade under 27 zone around main monthly gap. Why exactly this target? Here's a top. Here's the all-time high, here's the support, here's a test of 38 level by FIB, collapse it down to 27 zone. In 27 zone, we trade, let me show you, from first touch 27 zone, it's 483 days in accumulation. It's more than enough, you know, so we can, for example, trade till, I don't know, maybe October, November. We can collapse it down and then start pumping to this hypothetical downtrend line. So potential move for this coin can be drop like this one and start climbing up to over then 27 zone, over then 0 level, test 23 level by FIB. Sweep this top, this top. Basically, we are forming now on a weekly time frame this order flow. Every single week candle, it's someone stop losses. That's why all this liquidation will be like a full for bullish pump to this target. In this zone, if we, for example, breaking out 23 level by FIB, close 50% of this weak candle, like I always told you, we come back and close 50% of this weak candle, we can see something like this one, even to 38 level by FIB, $1.99 in this area at $2. Everybody jump into this coin and then we can drop it down one more time to the main support block. So this is how it looks like. I will make a visualization on TradingView, so we will track it and come back later to this main idea. So we can delete this hypothetical downtrend line. Here, the main target where you can start fix your profit, it can be 0.5 and 61 level by FIB, $2.25, $2.51. Yes, of course, it's not enough. You know, it's not some big crazy profit. It's only 600 and 800. You know, so till, let me show you, till new all-time high from the lowest point, it's 1,400. Yes, basically it's not some crazy gains, you know, for next bull run. From full fill, it will be 2K300. So yes, it's much better. Last time from the lowest point in June 2021, we got this one. We got, yes, of course, it was 4K600. So basically, yes, if we will, from this current price or from full fill go into 1.61 level by FIB, it will be 50% less profit and a pump than in 2021. And it's logical because we got a more coins circulation supply. So mark these targets. Here, you can at least withdraw initial deposit. You can withdraw initial deposit even after 100% and just leave free coins and without zero risk, you know.
Now, let's go and double check this chart with my custom indicator set. And I highly recommend you go and watch this big tutorial how to work with my indicator set 6-in-1.
Here, accumulation and forming the divergence on a weekly. Biggest accumulation was in June 2022. Lowest point was 39 cents. So it means it's more than good entry for whales. Yes, of course. Then we pump 250%. Here was a zone to distribute coin. And we come back down one more time, forming divergency here on a weekly. So the higher time frame, the stronger signal. If we see the divergency on a weekly time frame on ADZ, it's a really, really strong signal, you know. So lowest point, the 39, here was lowest point 30. If we will forming the third divergency after like this one, for example, it can be March, April, May 2024. Yes, this will be one more divergency, new drop and rally to new all-time high. Yes, basically FLUX can hit new all-time high. If we take a look on direction, here, whales accumulate now, not here. Here we got only the biggest accumulation on ADZ signal. Now we got one more confirmation. So when you see more confirmation on different indicators, it's more chances your entry will be much, much better than the previous one. We got a new confirmation. We're not so far from the bottom. Now it's not a right time to sell. Of course, you can sell and wait exact bottom, but I give you 99.9%. You will never catch the exact bottom. Market smooth. Here. Disbelieve, pump, disbelieve, pump, disbelieve once again. So it was a distribution zone. So that's why I highly recommend you use indicator set. I use weekly time frame to determine the investment zone, not a scalping. For scalping, you can use daily, 12-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame. Trade on here, signal to sell, sell, sell. Now only recommendation close position. Yes, that's why we didn't see any signal to buy. It's not necessary so this signal have to appear, you know, but if we'll see something like this one in this area, I think we'll see that signal to buy and pump to the main targets. Because after every single triangle, we got a pump more or less. On a daily, it looks like this one. Yes, on a daily, we got two signals to buy and now take profit from buy. That's why we can see pump like this one, for example, 46, to liquidate these guys, even these guys, and then drop it down one more time. Based on what news we have to drop, maybe they just postpone once again in October EDF. If they approve EDF, the money inflow first in the Bitcoin, and we'll see the Bitcoin dominance skyrocket one more time up, and altcoins bloody one more down. Last indicators take profit, like you can see we trade under 27 zone, we see the divergency on ADZ, we see the accumulation on direction, and we trade on the fundamental price. This is a reason why it's okay to start accumulate at this point. Yes, all lines are dynamic, and we can see something like this one, you know, and after this move we can reject at 33 cents and then collapse it down, and after that skyrocket to take profit, $1.26, retest and going higher. I will make a visualization on TradingView, so we'll track it later. So now, like you can see, we are in a normal condition to buy this coin for the long run. Fulfill, it's a 19 cents. That's why, yes, if you not ready to see, for example, 50% losses in your investment portfolio, because you have to understand it's big difference between the trading portfolio, scalping portfolio, and investment. Investment, we're buying for a long run. We're buying for 2-3 years, you know, it's no make sense to worry about it. You didn't catch the bottom. No, nobody catch the bottom, you know. We are going to accumulate step by step, and your average entry can be, for example, 25 cents. And yes, of course, we have all chances to add 1-0 and drop even the listing price every single time. Bitcoin can go even to 10K, you know. We just work with possibilities. And if your entry 25 cents, for example, it's more than good for a long run, because it's not a big deal. Are you buying it 20 cents or 25? For a long run, for investment.
Guys, if you want to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, only for $1 per day, just write me DM. All links will be on the description below. And you have to know, this indicator set works even on the free TradingView plan.
So guys, I hope you liked this video about FLUX. Write please in a comment what do you think about this coin in general. Do you hold this one in your portfolio or not? Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.